I'm in my senior year at the University of Houston, all set to grab that digital media degree in just 2 semesters. Living with a disability such as cerebral palsy comes with its challenges. I was eager to start the first week of my last 2 semesters when, of course, my wheelchair's motor stopped working. My awesome parents took my wheelchair into the repair shop trying to get my wheelchair fixed in time for me to go to class. However, even though I am getting a new wheelchair in a few months, we had to purchase a brand new motor, which would take a week. Luckily, I go to the best university. I emailed and explained my dilemma to my new professor, and I was able to attend by live streaming through Microsoft Teams. Long story short, I didn't miss a beat. Even with the wonky wheelchair, I was right there in class virtually. It just goes to show the University of Houston has got your back. They understand the curveballs life throws at you and find ways to make it work. Flash forward. It turned out to be not a motor. It was simply a random wire that got damaged. After repairing the wire, my wheelchair immediately engaged into gear. As I roll into these last semesters and gear up for graduation, I'll always remember this crazy incident as a reminder that a bit of determination and a supportive community can turn any hiccup into a success story.